Good morning, year three. Mr. Martin here. Welcome to your first online YouTube video of 2021. Happy Thursday morning. We hope that you are all well and safe, whether you are joining us at home today or you are with us in school. So this is our first video, and it's going to be the same video for today, Thursday, and tomorrow, Friday. And what we're going to do is we're going to set you guys some challenges to complete. Now, you've got 4 challenges, and they are all going to be around one of the topics that we are learning about this half term, okay? So for those of you that were in school on Monday, you will know that our history topic that we started to learn about was the ancient Greeks. So for the next half term, we are going to be learning about that in history. Now, your teachers, when they do their videos, we're going to be using our 2 curriculum enhancer books to help us because they've got really good knowledge about the Greeks. We've got this one, it's a non-fiction book which gives us loads of good facts, and then we've also got this one which is a Greek myth book, and Mr. Jones and Mr. Gowler will be reading these myths. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what the timetable is going to look like and talk through it a bit for the next few days. So if I click this one here, share screen and share. Hopefully now you can see this on my screen. So this will be posted on all of our Class Dojo pages on Class Story. It's going to be the same timetable for Thursday the 6th and Friday the 7th. First of all, when you've got up in the morning, you've got dressed, you've had your breakfast, we would like all of you guys to do some form of exercise. We know that exercise is a great way to start the day. It gets us moving, it gets all of our chemicals in our body working, and it helps our mind as well. It keeps us fit and healthy in our body and in our mind. So if you'd like to do a Joe Wicks exercise or a yoga exercise, you can find those on YouTube, or if you want to do some of your own. We'd all like you to do that to get us going for the day. Then we would like you to start with some reading, okay? So today, your parents should have been messaged by one of the year 3 teachers to inform them about their book club passwords, okay? So we would like you to be using that app because we all know, again, reading is really, really important even when we're at home. Then we would like you to take on our Wonder Challenge, okay? So it is a Wonder Challenge all around ancient Greeks, and we've got 4 smaller challenges for you. So I'm going to submit the link to this video here, and you can click on it and watch this video. Now, you have got 4 challenges all around the ancient Greeks. But before we start that, I'm just going to read a little bit of our ancient Greek books, okay, together. So, the land of Greece is made up of mountainous mainland and hundreds of islands scattered throughout the Aegean and Adriatic seas. Early Greek settlements grew as small rival communities called city-states. Now, some of us already know that, don't we, from our learning on Monday, which were cut off from each other by mountains and the sea. Each city-state had its own identity, and its own citizens were loyal to their home state and its patron god. That's one of our challenges about gods in a minute. The ancient Greeks created one of the most advanced civilizations, leading the way in literature, philosophy, sport, theatre, and politics. Greek civilization reached its peak in the city of Athens in the 5th century BCE. Okay, so we're going to be using these books, and you guys are going to have to use your researching skills at home. That's one of our Wonder Curriculum values, isn't it? Research, reading and researching. So, on your timetable, you will see here your first challenge, and what we've tried to do is make all the challenges quite different. So we've got a research one, we've got an RT-based one. Your first challenge that we would like you to do is, using your reading and researching skills, create a poster with all the amazing and interesting and creative facts that you find about ancient Greece, okay? So you need to use your reading and researching skills and then put them into a poster. That is completely up to you how you present it. And we put a little link to a website that might help you on here. So if you click that, you'll find out some really interesting facts. Our second challenge for you, now this one's for all the artists out there, we would like you to research the ancient Greek gods and goddesses and then pick one and do a sketch of them, okay, and create a bit of a fact file. So any important facts that you find, what were they the god or goddess of? What area of Greece did they come from? Did they have a nickname? What powers did they have? Okay? And again, we've not left you alone. We've got a little link on the bottom here that we'd like you to use if you're struggling for some really good facts, okay? Our third challenge. Now, the Greeks created the Olympic Games thousands and thousands of years ago, okay? The ancient Olympic Games. And we would like you to find out which sports they competed in. Then you are going to reenact them. We would like you to pose for 3 of the chosen sports that you've found, and you need to pose for a photo of you doing that sport. So if you find, I don't know, javelin, you can have a photo of you pretending to throw a javelin as far as you can. Okay? And our fourth challenge is about our myths, okay? So we'll find out about that when we use this book, our Ancient Greek Myth. And our fourth challenge is the Trojan horse myth is very, very famous. We would like you to watch this video of it and then create your own storyboard. So you need your piece of paper. You need to divide it up into sections. That's up to you how many sections. We would like you to draw a picture of what happens in each part of the story and write a few sentences underneath it. Okay? So, and then at the end of each day, Thursday and Friday, Mr. Jones is going to read you. So there'll be another video posted. He'll post a video of him reading a Greek myth for you. So you've got 4 challenges and you can complete them over Thursday and Friday, okay? We would love to see all your creativity because we know we're such a creative bunch. We've got great enthusiasm and I think we're going to produce some really, really good work. So can you send over all of your work via Class Dojo, but on the portfolio section? So it's a bit different to last year. We don't want messages. We're going to keep that for communication with parents. We would love to see all your brilliant work on your portfolio section, and we can approve it and we can see all your brilliant, brilliant work. And I'm really, really looking forward to that. If you've got any questions or anything, make sure your parents or adults at home ask us on Dojo so that we can help you. But we really, really want everyone to have a go at this to start off our learning at home wonderfully well. If you're in school, you'll be doing the exact same with us. So you've got 2 days to complete 4 challenges so we can get a bit of a head start on our ancient Greek topic in history. Have a brilliant day and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Goodbye.